Look at that one, man. It's so pretty.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be the day we're going to put on the Type R lip on the RSX. Originally I was thinking about painting it, but my brother and my dad taught me into not painting it. Just like leaving it the way it is. I don't know, probably in the future I'll paint it, but for right now I'm just going to rock it like this. Before I put it on I have to cut right here, like along the edge right here, because when this meets the fog light, it just doesn't let it go in all the way. So I read in the reviews that people have done this too, like it's like XX plastic, I guess. So I'm gonna be cutting that and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I just got done cutting the excess plastic here, or probably anything, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm just gonna clean the area and put on some double-sided tape and we'll see how it goes. So I got the lip on. I want to use double-sided tape right now, and I don't really think it's gonna hold up because the double-sided tape didn't even want to like hold on to the lip. I know this video is gonna be kind of short. I wanted to show you guys what it was like to go out my driveway, but I feel like it's gonna fall off because the tape is not gonna hold it. I already know that. But yeah, overall this is what it looks like. It looks pretty sweet. The front goes down like 2 more inches, man. Like, I thought it was gonna be less, but no, it's like right here. And I don't want to raise my car up because my car's not low, my car's not high either, but that's what I'm looking like right now. It was perfect height until I'm gonna put this lip on. But if I go any higher, I'm gonna have coilover binding issues, and I don't really want to do that, so I'm just leave it like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait on my dad. He has a drill. I'm just gonna use that to put the screws on. And yeah. All right, so this is the final product of the RSX Type R lip install. It looks pretty freaking low on the front. And the side skirts, I'm gonna be doing some like race side skirts, just sort of like even out. And I like the race side skirt look. Let me know what you guys think about leaving it the way it is right now, or painting it or unpainted. Should I paint it or not? I'm gonna do like a gloss black. I'm not really gonna do like a professional paint, but yeah. Remember to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more, guys.